Good morning, students. We were discussing chapter number 8, The Patriot. Last day, we had discussed paragraph number stanza 4. There, you had seen the contrast between the first stanza and the fourth stanza. What is the contrast happen? In the first stanza, the patriot got a warm welcome. But in the fourth stanza, what is happening? There is nobody to welcome him, but every one of them gathered were near the Shambles gate to see his execution. So that is the contrast we had seen. Then today we are going to see fifth stanza. What is happening in the fifth stanza? What all things happen him? When he has taken to Shambles gate, what is his situation? What happened to him? That is what we are going to see. Look into the text. I go in the rain, and more than needs, a rope cuts both my wrist behind, and I think by the feel my forehead bleeds. For they fling, whoever has a mind, stones at me for my years' misdeeds. Very simple meaning. What is what? He is walking. What is happening? That lot of problem happens for him. Let's see. The patriot condition has turned upside down. In the first stanza, he was given a hero's welcome. Now he is drenched in the rain. Drenched means already wet in the rain, and looks miserable. He is very miserable because there he had got a warm welcome, hero's welcome. Here he is in the rain. He is fully drenched in rain and looks miserable. Some problem is there for him. He is miserable at heart too. He has a strong feeling because he has done something for the people, that place. But now what happened? Now they don't want him. So that feeling is there in his heart. He is miserable at heart too. His hands are so tightly tied behind that the rope cuts into his skin. Now, instead of flowers, some people throw stones at him. He feels his forehead is bleeding. He can only feel it. He cannot see it, but he can feel it. He cannot touch his injury because his hands are tied. People throw stones at him because of the wrongs he has committed in the year gone by. Though it appears he himself not aware what wrong he has done, even the reader is in the dark about. Now we also don't understand what was the wrong he has done, but he also doesn't know. He doesn't know what he has done, but people turned against him. The reason is unknown. That is the poet says, the speaker says, the reason is unknown. What is the reason he has taken to Shambles gate? Why he is going to be executed? It is an unknown reason. No, what is happening? Here he is drenched in the rain. The rope which was tied behind him, his both hands are, both wrists are cut, and he felt that his forehead is bleeding, and he had seen people, instead of throwing flowers, they are throwing stones at him because of his misdeed. That is the paragraph says. Understood? Once more I am going. Now listen to me. In the first stanza, he was given a hero's welcome. Now he is drenched in the rain and looks miserable. He is miserable at heart too. His hands are so tightly tied behind tied behind. The rope cuts into his skin. Now, instead of flowers, some people throw stones at him. He feels his forehead is bleeding. He can only feel it. He cannot touch his injury because his hands are tied. People throw stones at him because of the wrongs he has committed in the year gone by. Though it appears he himself is not aware what wrong he has done. So even we don't understand, even the reader in the dark about it. We also don't know what is the reason. So the patriot also doesn't know what is the reason behind his execution. Understood? You read easily, you can understand a simple poem. Easily you can get the mark also. Please read and understand. Okay, thank you so much.